If you want to share your live location on WhatsApp, then what you do at first is go to settings, go to privacy, go to location services, and make sure to enable the location services. So once you do it, go ahead and open WhatsApp. Now once you open WhatsApp, select the contact to whom you want to share your live location. Then tap on this plus icon here, select location. Now this is my live location, and if you want to share it, select share live location. Now you can set the time until which you want to share your live location. Suppose if you want to share your location for 15 minutes, select 15 minutes and select this arrow. Now your location will be shared with this contact for 15 minutes, and if you want to stop sharing before 15 minutes, just select stop sharing and stop sharing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.